copies? How many copies are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, there are 6 copies. The things which we can count are called countable nouns. We can count them like one copy, 2 copies, like that. Now I need a bottle of water. Can we count this?
No, sir. Yes, sir, we can count that.
How?
That is 1 water.
No, we cannot count it.
That is 1 water, 2 water, and 3 waters.
Oh, it is wrong. Water is an uncountable noun. We cannot count it, but we can measure it by saying a cup of water, a bottle of water, a bowl of soup, etc. I have to tell you something about uncountable noun. Uncountable noun have no plural form. We cannot count uncountable nouns. We cannot say waters, juices, milks, oils, etc. Now everyone understands it, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I
Sir, if we cannot count uncountable nouns, then how can we count them?
It is a good question. Sit down. We cannot count uncountable noun, but we can say a cup of water, a bottle of water, a glass of water, etc. Now everyone understands it, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I have to give you one classwork. Write one example of countable noun and write one example of uncountable noun.
Sir, our work is finished.
Sir,
our work is finished.
Okay, it is okay. Some Nancy, stand up. What did you write?
I write countable nouns house and uncountable noun mud.
Good job. Sit down. Sit down. Uncle, stand up. What is
Sir, I wrote uncountable noun coffee, countable noun marker.
Great job. Sit down. Sundina,
Sir, I write uncountable nouns hair and countable nouns ball.
sit down. Christopher,
I wrote uncountable noun meat and countable noun doll.
sit down.
Sir, I wrote uncountable noun key and countable noun pencil.
Dia,
Sir, I wrote uncountable nouns ink, uncountable nouns pen.
sit down.
Sir, I wrote uncountable noun juice and countable noun box.
Sit down.
Sir, I wrote uncountable sugar, countable boy.
Sit down. Ayan,
Sir, I wrote uncountable soup and countable potato.
sit down. Elite,
I wrote countable bag and uncountable milk.
sit down. Simrit,
Sir, I wrote uncountable salt and countable books.
sit down. Somebody,
Sir, I write in uncountable noun powder, countable noun mobile.
sit down. Sonaya,
Sir, I wrote uncountable noun sand, countable sharpener.
sit down. Saipal,
Sir, I wrote uncountable noun salt and countable noun bench.
sit down.